is the WELMAX air purifier with true HEPA filtration.
It's a wall-mounted unit that allows you to conserve space. Stay tuned for more.
This WELMAX unit has anion air purification with a true HEPA filter that captures about 99.97% of airborne pollutants such as dust, mites, pet dander, pollen, and a lot of other allergens.
So it eliminates odors and allergens. It has a 4-stage filtration, and it can be wall mounted. So I'll show you the hardware that it comes with.
It comes with your standard baggie of screws and wall stabilizers.
Hollow wall angles, yeah.
And your back panel, which you will slide the device in.
Okay, so why don't you show the back of the unit how that it would be installed on the wall. I think we're just going to leave it on the tabletop or floor because it works well that way also, but you can mount it.
Wall installation is fairly simple. All you need to do is place this panel on a desired place in your house.
And put in your screws, or those are hollow wall anchors, aren't they, in the bag?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So all you do is when this is stable in the wall, you slide the device. Oh no, I just turned it on. But you slide it in to these panels right here, and it is held up.
Yeah, so once you have the plate on the wall, you can take the air purification unit on and off as desired.
Yes. Alright, so as you can see, this does come with a remote control, and it does have controls on the device as well that you can use between 4 and 5 meters away. It does also come with a user manual for all your questions, answers, and instructions on how to use this.
Now, when we got the unit, there was plastic wrap around the filter, so that would be the first step, would be to open the front. It just kind of snaps open, very easy. And as you can see, we have already been using this, and there's already some dust in the filter, so it's definitely capturing the dust. We were using it yesterday and today, so it's all one unit. It's a 4-stage filtration in one.
All you do is slide it in here, especially after you get the plastic off. Then put the top back on, and you are ready to get some filtered air.
And I was reading that you should change the filter about every 6 months or so, and I guess, of course, that depends on the quality of the air, the usage, and so on. It's going to be variable, but on average, about every 6 months.
Alright, so we're going to take a look at the functions. I do want to point out, for us at least, when you first turn it on, it will stay in the red pour part, signaling that there's poor air quality. And
yes, we should explain that it does have air quality detection, and the red light is poor air. The yellow light is just general, it's okay, and the green is good. So you'll see the 3 colors there.
When you're in the pour mode, you will not be able to shuffle through speeds.
It'll be automatically on high speed.
Yes. So a little bit more about the display panel. First, when you start it up, there's the power button right there at the top left. And then you can change your fan speed. It's low, medium, and high. Just those 3. And then you have your timing. With timing, you have an option for running for an hour or for 3 hours. You also have sterilization, which is right up here. That is the UV lamp, and you can turn that on and turn that off, even when it's in the poor air quality mode too, just to point out. UV is great to sterilize the air. The negative ion function, after starting up, it will continuously emit negative ions for 20 minutes while you're on this mode. And like we talked about earlier, there is the automatic air quality detection. So if it detects that the air quality around you is poor or in the less of good quality, it will be between moderate and poor, and this will affect your ability to change the fan speed. There is a light on here to let you know when your filter is bad, and that usually happens when it reaches a time of 1500 hours. You will hear an alarm going dee 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 when you need to change your filter. What you do to replace, or what you do to fix that, is push the timing and airspeed buttons for 5 seconds to stop the alarm. And like we said earlier, it does come with a remote control. There are 4 buttons. The red one is on and off, top one is timer, the second one is speed, and the bottom one is UV. So we're going to speed this up. I'm going to turn the UV on.
So what do you...
That is the lowest fan speed, by the way. They call it sleep. I guess it'd be great for having this on while you sleep.
Very, very quiet in that mode.
Yes. And we're going to turn the timer on 1 hour. Very handy way to use this.
What I like about this unit is the fact that it can be wall mounted. It has a sun profile. It's attractive. I believe it also comes in black. I like the white.
I like the white a lot.
That would look nice. It could be fit into a kitchen or bathroom or a living room or really just about anywhere.
So this device is also pretty thin, so you don't have to worry about it being a storage problem as well.
That's true. If you wanted to use it only some of the time or certain times a year, you could store it. Now the airflow is conveniently located at the top, so that's not, if you were right next to it, say you put it next to your sofa or chair or whatever, it's not going to blow right into your face. That's a good point.
So here we're going to turn it on again.
So you can feel this.
You can feel the air coming right out.
Right, it just doesn't blow right out of the front.
Alright, so that is all we have today for the WELMAX air purifier with HEPA filtration. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.